Traveling with your family to or from the airport? Worried about your children's safety but don't want to lug multiple car seats? Kidmoto is the leading and most trusted child-friendly airport and cruise transportation service that offers vetted drivers and perfectly installed car seats. So whether you're coming from the airport, the cruise home port, or your hotel, you can be sure that Kidmoto will bring you safely to your destination. Download our app now. Available in Google Play Store and the App Store.